Guys, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. We've released a series of cigarettes, stumped out, cigarettes with locks on them, and I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about quitting smoking. Okay, firstly, it has to be a choice. You've got to want to do it. That cannot come from without. Only you can do that. I'm also not going to lecture you on the evils of smoking and how bad it is for you, because if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you already know it's a pretty bad thing to do. It's probably going to kill you early, plus makes you smell bad. So, quitting smoking, what are the options? You've got cold turkey, you've got medications, or you've got nicotine replacement therapy, okay? Now, cold turkey is a method that is tried and tested. It's often the hardest method, but it often gives the best results. What you need to do is pick a time, choose a place, and commit. But the secret to cold turkey is replacing the activity with a healthy alternative. One is exercise. Set yourself a regular exercise schedule. I would even recommend having a punch bag with boxing gloves on hand, for when you are feeling that addictive cycle, that nicotinic receptors screaming out that they want nicotine, particularly within the first 72 to 96 hours of quitting tobacco. Secondly, I would recommend replacing the habit with another habit, such as a chewing gum in the short term. Also, one thing, guys, that most people don't tell you about is a lot of your social interactions when you're a smoker will be orientated around smoking. It's a remarkable phenomenon, and you'll notice that you miss a lot of that. You miss out on a lot of that when you quit smoking, and it is a price to pay when you are quitting, and replacing that is not always easy. However, it is possible, it takes time, and you undertake other pathways for social interaction. The final point I would say with smoking, and why you really want to get on top of that, guys, is that not only is it killing you and it makes you smell and it can do harm to others through passive smoking, it costs bloody money. And who taxes that? The government, okay? They tax a sugar load on it, yeah? Now, so you're paying your taxes, yeah? You're paying your value-added tax or your GST. You're getting robbed left, right and centre already, and then you're voluntarily handing over more money to these people for the right to smoke. You've got a choice, guys, and you can choose to say no. It's a voluntary tax, smoking, and if you can give it up, the money will be a lot better from a cash flow perspective for you. Your health will improve. How you feel about yourself will improve. The way you think will improve, because you're not in the binds of an addiction, and you will reap the benefits of being a non-smoker. So good luck on your journey, guys. There's some images if you'd like to promote the message of quitting smoking on publicdomainphotography.com. Look forward to seeing you there. Bye.